Good morning, and let's tell you about the top 5 stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Well, we begin then with Dixon Technologies, and that company along with Boat, which makes the wireless headphones, have entered their own agreement. They offer manufacturing twin wireless speakers. In fact, Dixon has announced that it will be manufacturing these products from their manufacturing facility, which is located in Noida. He said, the management said that Boat is a leader in the earwear segment, and their high quality devices are known for style and efficiency, and therefore this Dixon group is committed to have a very pivotal impact in helping to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat. Remember, you just recently had Boat raising about $100 million from private equity firm Warburg Pincus, which brings the company's overall valuation to about $300 million. So this is going to be a stock to watch out for. NMDC, meantime, within the metal space as well, keep an eye out on this candidate, as there has been an overall revision in the iron ore prices. You've got the prices of iron ore with effect 6 Jan, It's been fixed under lump iron ore at 5,700 rupees per ton, and fines is about 4,810 rupees per ton. So watch out for this stock. Within the real estate space, keep an eye out on Sobha, as the Q3 sales volumes are up about 27% sequentially. The sales value is up 29% QOQ, and the Q3 sales volumes of 1.1 million square feet built up area is what it stands at. Their overall price realization is at 7,830 square foot, the highest that they've seen in 6 quarters. Citi has a buy rating on Sobha with the target price of 411, saying that strong sales show the underlying demand recovery, and strong realizations and new launches have been lined up. Citi says that Sobha remains focused on their cash flow management. Bandhan Bank, the Q3 loans and advances, their operational updates essentially have been declared, and it looks quite encouraging. The Q3 loans and advances are up 23% on year, 5% QOQ, standing at 80,255 crore rupees. You've got the CASA deposits, which are higher by 62% on year and 22% QOQ at 30,504 crores. Though Macquarie maintains an underperform on the stock with a target price of 320, they believe the modest growth pickup is been seen. They await collections data and will review estimates and recommendations after Q3. Meantime, Titan is on CLSA's radar. They maintain a sell rating with a target price at 1370, saying that jewelry has returned to growth in Q3, but other segments do remain in recovery mode currently. Earnings are likely to see a 22% YOY decline on account of weak margins, and digital interaction for Tanishq and Titan Eye Plus will be watched.